Play with Koomi. Hello everyone. I'm going to hair salon today because I want to change my hairstyle. I'm going to hair salon. Welcome to my hair salon. Hi, I'm Elsa. I'm your hairstylist. Oh, you're Elsa. Oh, yes, I'm your hairstylist today. Yay, that's so nice. How do you want your hair done? I want to have your braid look. Oh, you want to have my braid just like this? Yes. Okay, have a sit. Okay. Now. Oh, you have a very pretty hair. Thank you. Okay. Now. Good. Where is a comb? There is a comb. I'm going to combing your hair. Okay. And use another comb. Good. And now I'm gonna grab this, tie. Okay, just like this. Good. And now I'm gonna separate into 3 and start braiding. And then there is a pink elastic and yellow one. I'm gonna use the yellow one. Okay. Almost done. Done! Now you have my braid look. How wonderful. You and I have same hairstyle. Nice. Okay, now let's play some music.
Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway.
Bye everyone. Have a magical day. Bye.